Hello, scholars! I am Francine Valerie Aganon.
I am Princess C. Gavila.
And I am Katrina May Jose.
And we are the members of Pisaytube, a super simple learning guide to master the art of KHub. From January to March of 2021, we conducted a research entitled Karanasan ng mga mag-aaral sa paggamit ng KHub bilang learning management system. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the world in more ways than we expected. Schools are left with no choice but to shift to online learning to continue the academic school years. However, this means that students should also be able to cope with this new type of learning style.
In the study that we conducted, we discovered the general difficulties that the students from the school year 2020 to 2021 have experienced in using our learning management system, or LMS, which is the KHub or the Pisay Knowledge Hub. The problems mentioned mainly include the technical difficulties, system failure, website navigation troubles, and failure to maximize the KHub's full capacity.
According to the studies of 𝐋𝐄𝐀𝐑𝐍 in 2014 and the group of 𝐊𝐸𝐬𝐽 in 2015, e-learning training programs affect learner outcome, reinforcing skills towards computer and e-learning technologies.
To enlighten the students' concerns, this project then aims to create a video tutorial series on how to use the learning management system used by Philippine Science High School Ilocos Region Campus, which is the KHub. This video series targets both current and future Pisay scholars to help them navigate through the learning portal easily, to help them lessen their stress and their time in using KHub.
We will be uploading one episode per day for the next 7 days in our official YouTube account, so you can give us a follow on that account to be updated. We would also appreciate it if you could like and share our content so that it will reach more people that may need help in using KHub. For your questions or clarifications, you can drop them at the comment sections of the videos and we will try our best to answer them as soon as possible. If we receive many comments that need further explanation, we will try to add more episodes to answer them as well. As Pisay scholars too, we ourselves understand that adjusting to online learning is really hard, and we know very well that learning how to use KHub at first can be a struggle, and so we sincerely hope that through this video tutorial series, you will be able to learn how to use KHub easily and efficiently. Rest assured that we will do our best to help make online learning much easier for you, so make sure to stay tuned to Pisaytube. Thank you!